And we're back. Yacht broker Justin Williams here in beautiful Perdido Key, Florida today, checking out a 2017 Sea Hunter 41 tournament. If you're a serious fisherman and you're looking to get out on the water and you don't have a bunch of time, the Sea Hunter 41 tournament is a boat of choice. Sea Hunter's 41 tournament, powered with quad 350 Mercury Verados, rocket launcher in the cockpit, hooker tuna tube pumps and sea chest with over 10 tubes, over 60 rod holders, in the deck fish boxes, Garmin suite of electronics. So if you're looking to get out in the Gulf of Mexico and do some serious fishermen, the Sea Hunter is your center console of choice. In 2001, Sea Hunter took the outboard center console market by storm with in-house engineering and design, Kevlar hulls, dropping a boat from a crane, cutting them in half, and still getting them out on the water. So if you're not familiar with this brand, you might want to dial in and get familiar with the Sea Hunter 41 tournament. For more information, click the link below down in the description. Contact yacht broker Justin Williams on Facebook, Instagram, and remember, we cater to them all, big or small. Give me a call.